For example, square the binomial x plus 6. That means that we must square the entire binomial x plus 6. To help us simplify this polynomial, we should write it like this. We must then use the distributive property. Every term in the first binomial must be distributed among every term in the second binomial. That is, x must be multiplied by x plus 6, and positive 6 must be multiplied by x plus 6. X multiplied by x gives x squared. X multiplied by positive 6 is positive 6x. Then 6 multiplied by x gives positive 6x, and positive 6 times positive 6 gives positive 36. To finish, we must simplify by combining like terms, which I have color-coded. The simplified polynomial is x squared plus 12x plus 36. The resulting polynomial is called a perfect square trinomial. There are three special characteristics of a perfect square trinomial. First, the term x squared is the square of x, the first term in the binomial. The last term, 36, is the square of 6, the last term in the binomial. And the middle term, 12x, is twice the product of x with 6. That is, 2 times x times 6 gives 12x. Now let's apply our rule to another perfect square example. If we are asked to square the binomial 3x subtract 4, we can write it in this form. Since we are multiplying a binomial by itself, the resulting polynomial will be a perfect square trinomial, which means the first term is the square of the first term in the binomial. So 3x all squared gives 9x squared. Next, the last term is the square of the last term in the binomial. That is, negative 4 squared gives positive 16. Finally, the middle term is double the product of the first term and the second term. That is, 3x multiplied by negative 4 is negative 12x. Double that gives us a middle term of negative 24x.